Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. That's the question of vector algebra here, bachcho. So see, that's a different type of question where you have to solve the equation to get vectors here. Okay, so you have to solve the given equation to get vector x. So solve the following equation for vector x and vector y. What does that mean? We have to solve the equation to get the vector x in terms of any other vector, maybe vector a and vector b. Of course, these are two constant vectors in that case, and similarly for vector y. Okay, so I found it to be a different question, so that's why I decided to share this question with you people. So how to start with? Okay, see, what I thought first, this is given to us. Okay, that's a cross product of two vector x and y. This is a one direct equation in terms of a linear combination of vector x and vector y. If we get one more such equation, a linear combination of x and y, then using simple elimination method, we can solve it to get vector x and vector y. So that's what I will target. So to use this information, see, how did I start? I said, okay, to use that information, I will take dot product, okay, of this equation, both the sides, with vector a. So taking dot product with vector a for this equation, what do we get? We get x dot a, vector x dot vector a, plus vector y dot vector a is equal to vector a dot vector a, and we all know this is nothing but magnitude of vector a whole square. Now they are all scalar, but what happened here is that we are given vector x dot vector a, which is 1. So vector y dot vector a is magnitude of vector a whole square minus 1. That's one more information we got. Now I just thought to use this. See, what's the choice we have? That's simple one information which we can directly use. I used it in one way. It's not like I can't use it or we can't use it in another way. Then I am just telling you what I thought. I thought of using it, then I realized that we have the value of a dot x and a dot vector y and a vector a. Okay, their dot product. So I just thought to take cross product both the sides with vector a for this equation. So it is vector a cross vector b. Okay, now see, you will realize why am I doing it. Why? Because when you open this vector cross product, triple vector product rather, so you will get a dot y, whose value we know, just now we found, vector x, minus vector a dot vector x times vector y. That's given to us, and vector a cross vector b is a vector which is a known vector because a and b are constant vectors. Okay, so if I put the value, see, the purpose is fulfilled. See, that's what I said initially. We have a linear combination of vector x and vector y. If we have one more such equation giving us a linear combination of vector x and vector y, we can think of elimination method and get vector x and vector y. So now if I put these values here, so a dot y, what is it? I think it's magnitude of a whole square minus 1 times vector x minus vector y is equal to a cross b. Okay, now just use it, bachcho, and this is vector x plus vector y is equal to, I think it's vector a, right? Add them. So if we add them, what do we get? We add them, this gets cancelled. So vector x, and this is magnitude of a square minus 1 plus 1, that's gone. A vector plus vector a cross vector b, so that's gone. So here we got, since everything else is a scalar, I mean on LHS as product with vector x, so that's a scalar quantity, you can take it to the RHS in denominator. So you have vector a plus vector a cross vector b upon magnitude of a square. So that's your vector vector x. So that means we can easily get our vector y, because we know that vector y is nothing but vector a minus vector x. So you just put the value here, and whatever you get will be our answer. So that's the solution of this question. So that was, as I said in the beginning itself, I found to be a different type of question, because we don't get so many questions where you have to solve the vector form of equations to get vectors. Okay, so that's why I decided to take up this question with you people, bachcho.